Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the pictures category, and here we have option swipe shutter button 2. When we tap on it we can decide to take burst shot or create GIF. So let's stay on take burst shot because this allows us to take series of pictures, and let's go back to the camera to take it. Now this is the shutter. When we slide down to the edge we can take many pictures at the same time, so we have the burst shot. And this is how to use this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.